Hi, I'm Blanco, and today I will teach you how to pronounce correctly in Spanish. If you are here on this channel, I suppose you would like to learn Spanish because it's cool, you are planning to visit Spain or Mexico, you want to understand your employees or your colleagues from work, or you just want to speak a language of 437 million people. I really can't find a reason why shouldn't you, so let's begin. To start speak Spanish, you need to be understandable. And how can you achieve that? By pronouncing correctly. Of course, we'll go through the whole alphabet, but I divided for you to 3 main groups with a little surprise in the end. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, let's start with the easy consonants. Well, I call them easy because the sound is pretty obvious. So, on that list we have B, D, F, K, L, M, N, P, Q, S, T, and X. So let's start with B. B, like in burro. Burro means donkey. Let's go to D. D, like in dia. Dia, it's day. F, like in fresa. Fresa means strawberry. Now K is an interesting letter because there are very few words that starts with K. So usually Spanish people pronouncing something through the telephone goes by K de kilo. And kilo means kilogram, of course. L, like luna. Luna means moon. M, obviously like madre, it means mother. N, like in naranja, orange. P, like padre. Padre means father. Now let's go to Q. Q, like in queso. Queso means cheese. S, like in sol. Sol means sun. T, like toro. Toro means bull. And last but not least, X, like in xylophone. If you are thinking what the heck is xylophone, you have the picture, but I can give you a more normal example, and it will be texto, it means text, or Mexico, Mexico. Now let's go to vowels. The sound is pretty obvious. We have A, E, I, O, U, and Y. So the sound of A is águila. A is A. Águila means eagle, by the way. E, like in elefante, which means elephant. It's also without any surprises. I, like in isla, which means island. also is. It's pretty obvious because you pronounce it E, but for English natives it will be a little bit different because you guys pronounce it island, and this will be isla. Now O is one of the famous problematic letters, like R for English natives, because you don't pronounce it O, it's short O. Oso. Oso means bird. It's not oso, it's oso. Next one is U. Uvas. Uvas means grapes. And last one, Y. You pronounce it very similarly like in English. It will be yate, which means yo. Yate. Okay, we can wrap it up at this point. I don't want to overwhelm you for the first time. Stay tuned for the second part when we get to the difficult consonants. Bye.